Ooh, what does Mommy have? Oh, look. Ooh. Are you gonna bite Mommy again, that? Here, take it out of Mommy's hand. Now, I have the bag. Now, I'm getting old. You're getting old. You're like a teenager. Shouldn't you be able to get these yourself? Hey, psst. Grouch. Look what Mommy's got. Oh, there's Grouch. What's Mommy's boy doing? You want some more? Yeah, I'm so glad Mommy taught you how to do this. Yes, I am. Here, take some. Hey, psst. Mister. Would you like some? Take it. Hey. Psst. Look, smell. Yummy. You love these. I'm not getting it for you. There's no way I'm getting it for you. Come on, stop being so lazy. Grouch. Alright. You don't want them? Look. Look how yummy they look. Hurry up. You know you do. There you go. Such a good boy. I think you're gonna get fat eating these. How many do you think you should eat? You're such a good boy.